How to delete your TikTok Now post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Hot Gig. In today's video I'll show you how you can delete your TikTok Now post, so you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. If you would like to delete your TikTok Now post, you have to go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok Now app on your device. Once you launch the TikTok app, right over here you'll be able to see your now that you've posted. So you want to come to your profile page, and here you can just choose the date and the now that you want to delete. If you do not find it, you can go to the memory section and then choose the exact TikTok Now post you want to delete. And once you open up that post, you have to tap on the three dots right next to that specific post over here, and then from the bottom you'll find three options called privacy settings, download or delete. All you have to do is tap on the delete option. It'll ask you for a confirmation, do you want to delete and retake it, but I'll just choose the option called delete. And once I choose the option called delete, you can see that I have successfully deleted that TikTok Now post. Now I will not be able to go ahead and then open it up. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok Now post. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.